A very good morning to all my dear students. So, students, I'm Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging 2, and today we are going to start our first subject. Okay, so kindly bring out your child centric English perfection toolkit 1 of 2 Joyful D. Today, we're gonna start our new unit. Fine, we had completed our unit D, and today I'm gonna introduce you unit E with a new letter. Okay, first of all, hurry up, go and bring out your child centric English perfection toolkit 1 of 2, as well as you must have pencil and erasers with you. Your pencil should be sharp, student. So you like your activity? Greater than and less than activity, you like your activity? Yes, ma'am, we had create lot of fun. Very good, I told you na, when you do this activity you create lot of fun, and your friends like this activity. Yes, ma'am, very good, well done. You have to do each and every activity. जब आप सारी activities करोगे, you find कि activities are lots of fun, right? Okay, chalo, now let's come to our today topic. Come on page number 1010 of your book. So students, this is your page number 10 from your book. If you want to cross check it, so you have to come down and see the number mentioned below. This is your 110, 1010. Okay, so I'm going to introduce you this worksheet today. As you know that our previous kind of worksheet are similar to it. The format is similar. We had covered one worksheet in 2 days because this worksheet is divided in two halves. So first day I will introduce you these words, and the next day we will do the writing part, and the next day we will do the sentence reading. As per that, we will also give answer towards the questions. Okay, so this is the format of doing your English work. First day introduced with some words, and next day we will practice by writing it. Another day we will do sentence reading, short sentence reading, and another day we will write the sentences. Okay, so now I am going to introduce you the first half of this page. Okay, where I am introducing you lots of three letter words. But before that, I want you to recap all the previous words which we did, right? So, one by one, I will show you the flashcards. You have to tell the phonic sound only. That what is the phonic sound of that particular letter. Okay? So, इससे क्या होगा? आपने जितने भी words करे, like A words, then E words, I words, O words. So, उनका सबका क्या हो जाएगा? Revision हो जाएगा. Then I will introduce you the U words. What is the phonic sound of your letter U? Okay, so wait for a while, students. First of all, let me take my flashcards and we just start. All right, so tell me, what is this? Ma'am, E a egg. Very good. This one is E a egg. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपने बहुत बार प्रैक्टिस करी है वर्ड्स की, सो आई वांट कि आप सब अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट करोगे. यू विल गिव एन इंस्टेंट आंसर क्विकली. ओके, ई ए एग. वेरी गुड. ओके, नाउ मैम, मैम को you have to tell me what is this. Ma'am, I eat ice cream. Yes, this is yummy yummy ice cream. Who want to eat it? Eat it. Okay, now chalo, what is that? I eat ice cream. Okay, now what is this? This is, ma'am, oh, orange. Yes, this is orange. Okay. Now, what is this? Ma'am, a apple. A apple. Very good. Yes, this is a apple. Okay, now I'm gonna introduce you today concept. Okay, now this is a U a umbrella. So students, today I'm going to introduce you which words U sound words. Okay, so जब भी आपके U words आते हैं, so what is the phonic sound of your letter U? It's a. When you pronounce umbrella, so what is the first sound? A sound है ना. जब what is this? Umbrella है ना. So जब आप umbrella read करते हो, when you pronounce umbrella, so what is the first sound? Concentrate on the very first sound, a sound, right? So that means your letter U will give you sound a. Okay, so today we will do which words? A sound words. Okay, now fine. So we start with the pictures. We have to recognize these pictures, and then with the help of phonic sound, we will read those three letter words. Okay, let's see what is given below for us. Let's read the information and then we will start. So we have to connect them as well as we have to read aloud those new words. ये जो आपको additional words भी mention है, you all have to read those words as well. Fine. Wait. You must have pencil in your hands now. If anybody is there who is not having pencil in their hands, kindly go and bring out your pencils. I'm waiting. Hurry up. Okay, till then, students who are having pencil and eraser with you, you just have to observe the pictures. I want a quick answer from you all, that what is this, what is this. Okay, so hurry up. You don't have to waste your time, you just have to observe those pictures. If I'm asking you what is this, so I want a quick response from you all. Okay, I hope so that you are ready with your pencil and erasers. Now, I'm putting my cursor on random picture. You have to tell me what it is. Okay, students, have you ever seen this? Ma'am, yes. What is this? Ma'am, this is bun. Yes, this is bun. You eat it now? This is sweet, right, and salty. So this is a bun. Even in burgers, जो आप burgers खाते हो, in that also we used bun. Okay, so what is this? This is bun. So now try to read it with phonic sound. B, U sound give you a sound, है ना. जब भी आपके पास U letter है यहाँ पर, ठीक है, in middle there is a U letter. So what sound it will give you? It will give you a sound. Which sound? A sound. So B, a, n, bun. B, a, n, bun. Again you have to repeat it. B, a, n, bun. Okay. Now you have to match the picture with the correct word, right? Okay, now who will tell me what is this? Have you ever seen it? Yes, ma'am, this is a bus. Yes, ma'am, I go in bus. Yes, very good. Yes, this is a bus. Okay, so now read this with phonic sound. B. Again, there is U. U will give you phonic sound. A. B. A. S. Bus. Very good. Try to make a straight line. है ना? जब आप join करोगे, so try to make a straight line. Okay. Now, who will tell me what is this? Sanvi, tell me what is this? Ma'am, this is a cup. Very good. Yes, this is a cup. So make a straight line and join both of them. Okay, try to read it with phonic sound, Sanvi. Ma'am, K, A, P, cup. Very good. Okay, the next one is, ma'am, it's her, a, t, hut. Very good. Yes, this is a hut, right? This is a hut. Okay, now move ahead towards the next picture, students. What is this? Ma'am, this is a mug. M, mug, where we used to drink water or coffee, tea, right? So this is a mug, 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 right, students? So join both of these now. Okay, what it is? Devleen, tell me what is this? Ma'am, this is nut. What is this? Nut. Very good, Devleen. Yes, you have to join it, okay, with the word. Okay, now, Sukaran, what it is? Ma'am, ma'am, this is rug. You know, this is a rug. This what we call it. This is a rug. Very good. Okay, what? Why? Where we use it? We use it on the floor, है ना? एक thick woolen coverlet को आप क्या बोलते हो? Rug बोलते हो. It is a similar kind of carpet, है ना? जैसे आप carpet बिछाते हो ना floor पर, just like this. So this is a rug. You have to keep it in your mind. You give you sound a. Okay. Now come to the next one. Here it is. Who will tell me? Sahaj, tell me what is this? Ma'am, tub. Tub. Very good. Yes, this is tub. Well done. Okay, now we will move ahead towards some additional words. Okay, wait for a while. Fine. So students, now you have to be focused over here. We will do some additional words, and here, as you know that the same format is there, we are having this similar ending sound. Okay, only the first sound should be changed. So you have to be concentrate on the very first sound. Okay, so now first we are doing g ug words where the ending sound should be ug in each word, right? So start from the very first word. Okay, now one by one you all have to read it. Arav, start. Read the very first word. What is this? Ma'am, b a g, bug. Very good, Arav. Well done. What is this, Arav? One more time. You have to read two times. B a g, bug. Very good. Now come to the next one. Arna, read the next one. Next word. What is this? Ma'am, D, D, very good. U, A, G, G, D, A, G, dug. Well done. Very good. One more time you have to read. Ma'am, D, A, G, dug. One time you have to do with the phonic sound, and the next time you have to read the whole word, dug. Okay? Now, the next one is Ahana. Ahana, read this word. Ma'am, H, A, G, hug. H, A, G, hug. Very good. Well done. See, आप phonic sound की practice कर रहे हो. That's why you read properly. So phonic sound is very much important. Okay, the next one. Now whose turn it is? Anaisha, read this word. The next one, ma'am. J, A, G, jug. Very good. One more time you have to read it loudly. Everyone, you have to be speak after Anaisha. J, A, G, jug. Very good. Next, Ayushman, read this word. Ma'am, it's R, A, G, rug. Very good. Yes, this is R, A, G, rug. R, A, G, rug. Very good. Now we are doing which words? A, N. Here the ending sound is a, N. Un sound is there. Okay? So now start with the very first word. Devleen, you have to read this word. Tell me what is this? Read it with phonic sound, Devleen. Ma'am, b, a, n, bun. Very good. Yes, this is very nice. One more time you have to read. Ma'am, b, a, n, bun. Good. Okay, the next one. Gunisha, read the next word. Ma'am, for a n. Fun. Very good, Gunisha. Yes, this is for a n. Fun. The next one, Harvey. Now it's your turn. Read the next word. Ma'am, it's g a n gun. G a n gun. Very good, Harvey. Well done. Now, Jasleen, be ready for your turn. Now it's your turn. Read this word. Ma'am, n a n none. N a n none. Very good, Jasleen. Okay, now the next word. Now whose turn it is? Mankirat. Mankirat, now it's your turn. Read this word. Ma'am, it's sun. Very good, Mankirat. Now read one more time. Everybody, you have to repeat after Mankirat. It's sun. Very good. Okay, Mitakshi. Now it's your turn. First of all, I will tell you यहाँ पर कौन सी ending sound है t. T will give you what sound? T. And you will give you sound a. So t. That means end में आपके क्या sound होगी? At. Okay. Now read the very first word, Mitakshi. Ma'am, b a t. But. Very good. One more time, Mitakshi. B a t. But. Very good. Now it's turn of Sanvi. Sanvi, you have to read the next word. Ma'am, it's k a t. Cut. Very good. What is this, Sanvi? One more time. K a t. Cut. Very good. Okay. Now, Sahaj, it's your turn. Read this word with phonic sound. Ma'am, g a no a g a. Very good. G a. The next is t. Ma'am, g a t. Gut. Very good. Gut. Okay. The next one is Samarth. Read this word. Which word is this? Ma'am, it's h a t. Hut. H a t. Hut. Very good. I can't hear everyone's voice. Second time you have to repeat after your friend. Okay. The next one is, whose turn is this? Sukaran. Sukaran, read this word. Ma'am, n a t. Nut. N a t. Nut. Very good, Sukaran. Okay. Now it's Supriya's turn. Supriya, first of all, I will tell you, यहाँ पर ending sound is a b. Ab. Okay. यहाँ पर क्या है? You will give you sound a. B will give you b. So a, b, up. So now you are doing up words. Okay. So read this word with phonic sound. Ma'am, k, a, b, cub. Very good. One more time, Supriya. Ma'am, k, a, b, cub. Very good. Well done. Now here it's Udevir's turn. Udevir, what is this? Ma'am, r a b, rub. R a b, rub. Very good. Okay, the next one is Vedic. Read this word. Ma'am, it's t a b, tub. T a b, tub. Very good. Well done, everyone. Okay, Nityam, now you have to tell me, write the words that begin with R. Okay, आपको वो words यहाँ पर मैम को only one word you have to tell me जो R से begin होते हैं, मतलब starting with R. So, tell me, Nityam, you can put any of, you can see any of these words and tell me. Ma'am, run. Very good, Nityam. Clapping for Nityam. Well done. Okay, so here it is run. Anybody else who will give me the answer? Ma'am, rug. Very good. So here you have to write those words which is starting with R. Okay. R, run, right? So here you have to put, okay students, my pencil is not flexible, so that's why I'm having a difficulty while writing those words. Fine, but you please form the formation just mentioned in your notebook. Okay, so now this is all about your English session. You just have to first of all do the first half of this page, and then you have to do some additional and write the words which is begun with R. Okay, now we will come ahead towards our creative work. Fine. So for that you all have to wait. Okay. In creative there is something new for you. There is not drawing today. I'll have to share you an activity for today. Okay. So basically this is your creative task for today. Today I'm gonna introduce you, or I'm gonna share an activity with you on color recognition. Okay, so what you have to do, this is a very simple kind of activity which you can do at your homes. Okay, so parents, it's a request that you please collect the material which is required for this activity. I told you one by one. Okay, so today we are going to cover a color recognition activity. So that means you must have different kind of objects with different colors. Okay, so as you see there are some squares given to you. This is red, this is yellow, and this is blue. So you can take different colors cloth with you. Okay, if you don't have different colors cloth, like if you don't have red color cloth, yellow color, blue color cloth, so it's okay. You can take the A4 size sheet of different colors, like red color A4 size sheet, yellow color A4 size sheet, blue color, green color. Okay, so you can take different color of A4 size sheets. Next thing, what is the second material required with you is you have different colors of objects with you. You can take toys, you can take crayons, you can take pencils, you can take buses, you can also take the dresses. Okay, socks of different colors, and you have to put it in a tumbler or in a बॉक्स. आपको हर एक काइंड के कलर्स जो है यू हैव टू पुट इट इन अ बॉक्स. ओके, और कलर शुड बी सिमिलर टू इट. जिस कलर के आपके पास A4 साइज शीट है या क्लोथ है, यू मस्ट हैव दैट कलर्स ऑफ टॉयज और ऑब्जेक्ट्स विद यू. ठीक है, तो आपने क्या करना है, सबसे फर्स्ट थिंग यू मस्ट हैव द A4 साइज शीट्स ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर. यू कैन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हेन यू कंडक्ट दिस एक्टिविटी फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम, तो यू कैन पिक एनी 4 कलर फर्स्ट. ठीक है, जैसे रेड ले लिया, येलो, ब्लू, ग्रीन. ओके, एंड देन उसी काइंड के आपको 2 या 3 ऑब्जेक्ट्स कलेक्ट करने हैं. लाइक रेड कलर ऑब्जेक्ट्स, एनी 2 रेड कलर ऑब्जेक्ट्स. आपने रेड कलर का एक क्रेयॉन ले लिया, और रेड कलर की कोई ड्रेस है स्टूडेंट की, या रेड कलर एप्पल यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक. फाइन, स्ट्रॉबेरीज है तो आप स्ट्रॉबेरी यूज कर सकते हो. इफ दे हैव रेड कलर टॉय तो आप रेड कलर टॉय भी यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, पुट इट इन अ बॉक्स और जार. ठीक है, आप किसी भी बॉक्स में या जार में उसको कलेक्ट करो साथ के साथ. देन नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट कलर. यू आर टेकिंग द येलो कलर नाउ. सो आपने येलो कलर के ऑब्जेक्ट्स कलेक्ट करने हैं एंड पुट इट इन द सिमिलर जार. ओके, नाउ सेम विद द ब्लू कलर एंड सेम विद द ग्रीन कलर. जो भी आपने कलर्स लिया उनके ऑब्जेक्ट्स आपको कलेक्ट करने हैं. देन जिस जार में आपने कलेक्ट किए हैं उसको आपने शफल करना है अच्छे से. Okay, then after shuffling it you have to ask our kids that one by one they will pick one object, and they will have to recognize the color of that particular object. Suppose he will pick the very first one, like suppose he will pick this one. So he will take and say, Mama, this is yellow color. Which color, students? Yellow color, Mama. Okay, fine. This is yellow color, na? So you have to put it on yellow cloth. कहाँ पर है yellow cloth? Mama, here. Yes, you have to put it over here. Okay, so student will put it on the yellow cloth, or अगर आपने yellow sheet लिया तो he will put over there. Okay, so in this way you have to conduct this activity at your home. Then similarly I will give you one more instance. Now suppose he or she will pick this one. Okay, now she will take her cloth. Now she will say that mama, this is red color. Yes, this is red color. Where you will put it? Here? No, mama, this is blue color. Here? No, mama, this is red color. Very good. Yes, this is red color. So in this way you have to conduct this activity of color recognition at your home with simple objects, right? There is no hard material required for doing this activity. आप simple घर की ऑब्जेक्ट से, घर के रिसोर्सेज से भी you can conduct this activity. Okay, one more thing I am having for you all is that is also very simple. I'll show you a video, so आप उसके थ्रू भी ये activity, color recognition activity, you can conduct it with kids. Okay, but I suggest that you will do this activity because that is more fun filled. A student will enjoy this activity while doing that. Okay, so let me play the next color recognition video for you all. Okay, so basically as you see on screen, this is a grid. Okay, आप grid form करोगे, उसमें आपने different squares में you will do different colors. You can prepare this or you can ask our kids that first of all you have to draw circles, फिर आपको उनको straight lines draw करके देनी है, and you have to ask them कि आप इसमें red color करो, now you will do orange, now you will do yellow color. ठीक है, once they complete it, उनका coloring task भी हो गया. Then you have to ask them that you have to cover only which color. This one is the red color. अब आपने इसमें से only वही color cover करने हैं which is having red color. Okay, so let me play this for you. First of all you have to prepare this with the help of our kids. Then you have to ask them then that from this grid you have to cover the red color, so you have to provide them some beads or buttons, okay, in their hands. So first of all they will count where is the red color, so you have to provide them buttons. So once they will see it in the first row, this is the red color, where is the next red color? Here. Then they will place button. Then they will search for the next one, where is red color? Here it is, red color. Okay, where is the next red color? No, this is green, orange. This is orange again. This is red color. Very good. Okay, where is the next red color? Search for it. Yes, this is the next one. Very good. So in this way you can also conduct this activity at your home. This is also a different kind of color recognition activity. Okay, so whichever is comfortable with you. If you like the first one तो आप first one भी conduct कर सकते हो. If you like this one, if you don't have that much resource with you, तो आप इसके through भी students को color recognition का concept easily बता सकते हो. So that's it for your today's session, students. I hope you like your activities, right? And students, there are lots of efforts, lots of time I'll involve while preparing these activities. So I want that you please be active while doing activities. Okay, because I'm preparing these activities for you, so I am also want a reward from you all that you all are doing these activities. So that's it for your today's session. You have to share the pictures or videos with me while doing those activities. Okay, that's it. Have a good day. Bye bye.